Hello and welcome to the ICSE 8 Maths tutorial. Today's topic is factorization, a common topic which we have even in 7th standard also, 9th standard also. So factorization we are going to do today. Before we start, आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ, ध्यान से सुने। शायर क्या कहता है? खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Thank you. Now, I have taken here two questions, and from these questions are from ICSE class 8 syllabus. See, I'm just going to explain to you the basic things, the fundamentals. If you understand these two questions, I'm sure that you will be able to do many questions from your exercise. These two questions are from your exercise only, ICSE class 8 mathematics. So please listen to me carefully and please try to understand. The identity, the formula that we are going to use here, these are the two formulas. Formulae. The first formula is AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B in one bracket, in another bracket A square minus AB plus B square. When you have plus here, in this bracket you write down plus, this is minus. When you have minus here, then in the first bracket A minus B, here you write down minus, and here this becomes plus. Alright, so see the similarity. How will you remember? One formula, if you remember, then you can write down on the basis of similarity the other formula. So AQ plus BQ is equal to A plus B plus A square minus AB plus B square. Now AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Now this you can write down like this also. A square plus B square minus AB. Same thing. A square plus B square plus AB. But please do not write down 2AB. That is the formula for A plus B whole square. Please remember, there are some students, sometimes students, they write down here 2AB. Here we don't have 2AB. That is the formula for A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, or A square plus B square plus 2AB. Either way it is okay, correct. Fine. So these are the two formulas that I have written. We are going to use it. Now see this. The first question is 8x cube plus 343 cube. This you have to factorize. A very small question. Factorize 8x cube plus 343 cube. Okay. First of all, what we do, the very first thing that we do is we see if anything is common. There are two terms. One is this, first term is this, the second term is this. First of all, we see that if anything is common in this. So see here, we have here 8. Here we have 343. Nothing is common. 2 you have here, 2 4s are 8. 2 you don't have here. 2 is not a factor of 343. 4 you have here, 4 2s are 8. 4 you have here, but 4 you don't have here. 4 is not a factor of 343. 8 you have here, but 8 you don't have here. 343 and 343, when you find out the factor of 343, you will say that there is no 8. 8 you won't get. So 8 is not a factor of 343. That means nothing is common. 2 is here, it's not here. 4 is here, it's not here. 8 is here, it's not here. X is here we don't have X. Y is here we don't have Y. So that means nothing is common. Okay. Now we are going to convert this in the form of either A cube plus B cube or A cube minus B cube. Of course, we have here plus, so we are going to convert this in this form, A cube plus B cube. So plus, then A cube and B cube. So we are going to make this as A cube. X is already cube, only we have to make 8 cube of some number. Alright, so 8, when you find out the factors of 8, you can write down, say 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4. So that means 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, no? 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, right? 2 to the 4 to the 8. So 8 you can write down. 8 you can write down. 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That means 2 raised to power 3. Laws of indices. Exponents. See my video. There is one video on that. 2, 2, 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2 raised to the power 3, right? So 8 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 3 and x raised to the power 3. That means 2x whole raised to the power 3. 2x whole raised to the power 3. Now go in the reverse order. Let us see if we are getting this from this or not. If you don't understand like this, then think in the reverse order. 2x raised to the power 3. See, you have the formula. You know this formula, ab whole raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m from laws of indices, laws of exponents. A raised to the power m and b raised to the power m, right? This power goes to a also and to b also. So here if you open this, so 2 raised to the power 3 and x raised to the power 3, like this. Power will go to both. So 3 will come here and 3 will come here also. When you write 2 raised to the power 3, that means 2 cube, and 2 cube is nothing but 8. So that means you are getting 8. And x raised to the power 3 means x cube. So that means this is nothing but 8x cube only. The form is changed. Only the form is changed. Alright. So you can write down this like this, because from this you are getting this. Now it's clear. Similarly, see here 343. When you find out the factors of 343, you will see that 343 is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 3 times. 343. Wait. 343. So 343 you can write down 343 is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Please multiply and see if you are getting 343 or not. 7 sevens are 49 and 49 sevens are 343. 49 sevens are 343. Alright. So that means 343 can be written as 7 cube. So 343 is 7 cube and y also already cube. So 7y together whole cube, and the same explanation. If you think in the reverse order, this formula apply, a raised to the power m, b raised to the power m. That means 7 raised to the power 3 and y raised to the power 3. 7 raised to the power 3 means 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, which is 343, and which is 343. So that means 343 can be written as 7 cube and y cube. So 7y whole cube means 343 y raised to the power 3, y cube. So 343 y cube, we can write down 7y whole raised to the power 3. Because we want something whole raised to the power 3. b raised to the power 3. Now if you compare this with this formula, a cube plus b cube, you see that in place of a you have 2x and in place of b you have 7y. Alright, so 2x in place of a, 7y in place of b, and then you have a cube plus b cube. But remember, Ra is 2x and Rb is 7y. So when we write a plus b, then we write down in place of a 2x and in place of b 7y. Right, so a plus b means 2x plus 7y. That is why that is what I have done here. See this, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. A plus b, the formula is a plus b. So a plus b, Ra is 2x, not 2x cube. See, a cube. So a is 2x. A in place of a, see, cube same. In place of a we have 2x. Got it? So a plus b means 2x plus 7y, a plus b. Now in the second bracket you have to write down a square minus ab plus b square. So a square, in place of a we have 2x. So 2x square, I am writing in brackets so that things are very, very clear. Alright. So please don't write down directly. There are some students who are very good. There are some students who are good in mathematics, so they can write down directly 4x square, but don't do that. Please show this step. You are applying the formula, so please show the formula, how you are applying the formula. So a square means 2x whole square minus ab. A is 2x and b is 7y. ab plus b square. Plus b square, in place of b we have 7y, so 7y whole square. Got it? Okay. And formula, please write down here. See, again I am writing here formula. I'm not telling you that here is the formula. Alright, again I am showing you here the formula. So please write down like this. Since a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and they are in two separate brackets. Okay, here I have used one more bracket, curly bracket, because see, already we are using within the curly bracket circular brackets. So in order to differentiate between the two brackets, I am using one curly bracket. Alright. Now 2x whole square means 2 square and x square. I have already explained to you. So 2 square is 4 and x square, x square. 2 sevens are 14, x into y means xy. xy means x into y. And 7 square is 49 and y square. Got it? So 2x plus 7y in one bracket, and in another bracket 4x square minus 14xy plus 49y square. And this is your answer. So easy. Okay. Now the second question is, in this question, see, the question is 2a raised to the power 4b minus 432ab raised to the power 4. The question is, you factorize this. Okay. You have to factorize this. Okay. Now what are we doing? As I told you in the beginning, that first of all you have to see if anything is common between the two terms or not. Here see, 2 is common, because see, when you divide this 432 by 2, you get 216. That means 2 is a factor of 432. 2 is a factor of 432. When you find out the factors of 432, alright, you will see that 2 is a factor of 432, because 432 is getting cancelled by 2. Alright. So 2 is a factor of 432. So we are taking 2 common. Now let us see about a. Here we have a raised to the power 4. Alright, and this I have explained to you in my exponent and parts and exponents. There I have explained to you what's the meaning of a raised to the power 4 and 4a. So a raised to the power 4 means a into a into a into a, and here only one a. Alright, so a is, here we have a, and here we have a into a into a into a 4 times. So 1a we are taking outside. A4 we cannot take, because here we don't have a raised to the power 4. Here we have a raised to the power 1 only. Nothing is written means 1. So a raised to the power 1, and here a raised to the power 4. So a raised to the power 1 is common. A raised to the power 1 is here also, here also. A raised to the power 4 is, though it's here, but it's not here, a raised to the power 4. This is b raised to the power 4. So a is common. Now what about b? B is here also and here also. Right? B4 means b into b into b into b 4 times. So b you get here also, and here you have 1b. So b is also common. So 2ab common. When you take 2ab common, this 2 is outside the bracket, and from a raised to the power 4, a you have taken common. So a cube will remain. Got it? A4, no? See, A4 means a into a into a into a. Got it? So 1a you are taking common. So a cube will remain. Fine. And b you have already taken common. So b is out. Only a cube remains here. Now 432, from 432, 2 you have taken common. So you divide 432 by 2, you will get 216. Now a is out, and from b raised to the power 4, b is common, so b cube will remain. The same explanation, same type of explanation, right? And the same. Okay. Now we can convert this in the form of a cube minus b cube, because in between we have minus. Now a cube is already there. This b cube is there, but 216 is not the cube of any number. So we will try to find out the factors of 216, and we'll try to write down 216 in terms of cube of some number. And that I have shown here. See, 216, when you find out the factors, you will see that the factors of 216 are 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 cube. So 216 you can write down 6 cube. Alright. I suppose these small things you already know, factors, and then how to find out factors, etc. That's why I'm going a little fast here. So 216 you can write down 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Okay. So 6 cube, which is 216, and b cube already is, b cube is there. So 6b whole cube, like here 7y whole cube. So 6b whole cube. Okay. Now a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So a minus b, and then a square, we have a, plus, in minus we have here plus formula. So plus AB is A, but in place of B we have 6B. In place of B we have 6B. So AB and plus B square. B square means what do we have in place of B? In place of B we have 6B. So in place of B square we write down 6B whole square, because in our case in place of B we have 6B. So A square plus AB plus B square. Alright. And formula is AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. Like that you should write down the formula like this. Okay. Now 2AB as it is, A minus 6B. Now because I use two brackets, so one I am using curly, one I am using circular. Now we don't require two brackets, so I am removing one. A square 6AB, BAAB, everything is same because they are in product. And 6 square means 36 and B square, so 36B square. So finally you are getting 2AB outside, in one bracket A minus 6B, in another bracket A square plus 6AB plus 36B square. This is the answer. Okay, I hope things are very, very clear. Please you see again and again and try to understand and try to do similar questions from your exercise. I'm sure that if you understand these two questions, many questions from your exercise you will be able to do. Okay then, now in the end let me tell you one joke. एक जोक छोटा सा आपको सुना के ख़त्म करता हूँ. फाइन. तो टीचर ने ऐसे ही अच्छा माहौल था, तो बच्चों ने कहा सर एक ज़रा जोक. तो टीचर ने बोला कि अच्छा बताओ बच्चों, सच और वहम में क्या फ़र्क है? तो एक बच्चा जवाब देता है कि सर, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, जोक है हंसने के लिए. एक बच्चा जवाब देता है, सर आप हम लोगों को पढ़ा रहे हैं ये सच है, और हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ये आपका वहम है. ओके, हंसते रहिए, खुश रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स.